Oh, hi everyone, it's time for our maths lesson. Today's lesson, we're going to be working on ordering numbers up to 6. Now, for the lesson today, you will need paper, something to write with, and some scissors. So, the reason is we're going to be drawing out some numbers. I've just done mine. Can you see these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grown-ups, write those for your children. I've put the dots underneath as well. That makes it easiest for some children to recognise what the numbers are. So get your paper, write your numbers, cut them out. Don't need that at the end. Cut these out. Right. So we'll be needing those later. The other thing as well, we'll need some counters. So if any of the things that you need, go and get them now. So press pause, go and get things that you need. Okay, right. Well, we're going to warm ourselves up with a song. We're going to sing the song about 5 little speckled frogs. And today I'm going to use my log, and I'm going to use a lid from my sandwich box today from my pool. Thought it was the right colour. Let's have a go. So 5 little speckled frogs. Let's see. Let's put them on our log, shall we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs. Okay, let's sing the song together. When we sing the song, use your counters and join in by copying my actions. Here, ready? 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Just before we continue singing then, we started off with 5, and then 1 jumped out, so we had 1 less to make 4. Now another one's jumped out to leave us with 3. So, you ready with our 3? 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 more speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. She jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. So in the song, we started with 5, and then we had 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and we ended up with 0. Okay? Now, what happened to the numbers in that song? That's right, they got smaller. We started with the biggest number, 6. Then we counted down, we had 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. And finally, we had none left, 0. Now, today, we're going to be working on our numbers, as I've said, but just wanted to remind you that in the song, the numbers got less every time. Now then, 5 frogs in the pond. But I said at the beginning that we were working on ordering numbers up to 6. So let's see, I've got 5. I want you to think how many more to make 6. Let's just count these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 altogether. So to make 6, we need how many more? That's right. Let's pop it in and let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many altogether? That's right. There are 6 counters altogether. And did you notice? It doesn't matter which end we start counting from, because the number we stop on So it's the number that we have all together. Okay. Now, you've got your 6 objects, and this is what we are going to do today. We're going to think what each object represents. Let's put my things out to the side. Okay. And here we have one counter, one counter. That means we're using the counter to represent. We've used it for one frog, but it could be one anything. It could be one carrot if you're wanting to think of counting carrots. Might want to. Who knows? You might be a future farmer, like a carrot farmer. Okay, so this is one of anything. So if I get these, that shows two of anything. What do these represent? What do these show? That's right. It represents 3. So out of all of these groups, group of 1, a group of 2, a group of 3, which is the biggest group? Yeah, 3. Which is the smallest group? Yeah, 1. Like we say, there's lots of things we can use for counters. I've taken away my gems. I realised I didn't have enough for my job. So when you get in your counters, you need to make sure you've got plenty of things. So I'm going to use from my pasta cupboard some pasta. And today's pasta is spirelli. Okay, it's this twisty pasta. So this is a job for you today. Use your counters. Set your counters out just like I was doing. We have 1. And we have 2. How many next? 3, that's right. 3. And then 1, 2, 3. One more makes 4. Continue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, is that right? 3, 4, 5, that's right. That's 5, and then we're going to have one more row, and this is going to have the biggest number that we're dealing with today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just to finish off, see if you can match your numbers in the correct place. So what's this number? That's right, number 1. So our number 1 can go here. The same with number 2, and see if you can continue that. So by the end of this lesson, you will have got a little number sequence going all the way from 1 to 6. Okay, that's your job. Now, if you're feeling really super clever, maybe you could have a go then at drawing out this pattern on your paper. So I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to use my whiteboard. So I'm going to see if I can draw them. So I've got 1 there, and here, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. Now look, I've drawn what I've been making, and I have labelled it with the correct numeral. Okay, so there's your challenge for today, guys. See how it goes. I'm sure you're going to do really well, and I look forward to seeing any of your photographs on Evidence Me. All right, see you tomorrow. Cheers, and guys, bye.